Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe. What if you could start making money without showing your face, without becoming an influencer, without putting your life online? What if your income did not depend on your appearance, your confidence on camera, or your personality? Because the truth is, some of the most powerful income streams are built quietly, behind the scenes. And today, you are about to discover 10 passive income ideas that almost no one talks about, because they do not look flashy, but they work. Stay with me, because one of these could completely change how you think about money. Idea 1. Digital products. Create once, sell forever. Ebooks, templates, guides. You do not need to show your face. Only provide value, and once it is created, it can generate income over and over again. Idea 2. Print on demand. Design simple graphics. Upload them. T-shirts, mugs, phone cases. The platform handles printing, shipping, everything. You focus on ideas. Idea 3. Affiliate marketing. Promote products. Earn commissions. No need to appear on camera. You can use blogs, Pinterest, or automated content. Idea 4. YouTube automation. Channels without faces, without personal branding, using voiceovers, stock footage, AI narration. The content works, even when you are offline. Idea 5. Stock content. Photos, videos, music. Upload once, get paid repeatedly. Your work becomes an asset. Idea 6. Blogging with SEO. Write content that answers questions. People search, they find your page, and you earn through ads or affiliate links. Idea 7. Mobile apps or tools. Simple apps solve small problems. Even basic tools can generate steady income. You do not need to be on screen, just useful. Idea 8. Online courses. Faceless, screen recordings, slides, voice narration. Teach what you know without ever showing yourself. Value matters more than visibility. Idea 9. Licensing content. Create something once. License it. Music, designs, code. Others use it. You get paid. Idea 10. Automated e-commerce, dropshipping, or digital storefronts. Systems handle orders. You focus on setup, optimization, and scaling. Now pause. Notice something. None of these require fame. None require attention. They require systems, consistency, patience. Because passive income is not instant. It is built quietly, then grows over time. One idea, executed well, is better than 10 ideas left unfinished. Start small, stay consistent, and Let time do the heavy lifting. So stay here for a moment. Imagine your life with income flowing in the background while you focus on what matters. And the best part, you never needed to be seen. So listen again, pick one idea, and begin. Because the sooner you start, the sooner it grows. That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.